What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Vechain. Currently sitting at 0.06. We're down about 9% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 3.85 billion, 24-hour volume 340 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app and grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame. We came down to our third buy zone with our dollar cost average strategy. So our break even is currently sitting at 0.068. Equal amounts at each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time. Great trading method if you're busy, if you're a spot trader, maybe you live in the US and you can't leverage trade. You can dollar cost average into your trades. When you bounce back into profits, you take profits, you start dollar cost averaging once again. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame. There is a large level of support coming in between about 0.059 and about 0.054 for vet. You can see here, support right here, support here, resistance in this area, resistance right here, quite a bit of resistance in this area, resistance right here from this double bottom pattern. And once again, we're coming back down to test that level of support. We absolutely exploded for vet. As I always mention, the harder you pump, the steeper the correction. And that's exactly what we're seeing here. However, we are starting to print a bullish divergence, create a lower low while creating a higher low on the RSI as well as the money flow. So we may just see a nice little bounce from this level. If not this level of support, then we could come down here to about 0.054. Let me actually drop in a little price tag. Oh, let me switch the colors. Hope everybody's doing well. Every time I switch it to green, it stays that way. Okay, perfect. So it could also come down to about 0.054 before seeing a nice bounce. If we do push up, I would just watch these levels of resistance here. See a little bit of support in this area coming in at 0.064. And then we have 0.070 will be your next level of support, 0.078. So if we do see a little bounce from this level, you're looking at about a 9% push to the upside. And if we come down to 0.054 and then we bounce, about an 18% push up to that first level of resistance. And if we pop over to the daily time frame, so we can see here on the daily, we broke out of this double bottom. Let me just quickly fix this neckline a little bit. So if I pull this neckline out, potentially we could be coming back to retest it as support. We did absolutely explode through it here, which is also coming in at about 0.055. We've lost the EMAs. We've basically broken down from a bear flag here. Quickly draw out my trend lines. So if it does reach the technical target, now it doesn't always go straight down, but that could bring that all the way back down to this swing low, these levels of support, previous resistance at about 0.51. So do keep an eye on that. I do think we have a good opportunity to bounce or come down to about 0.055 and then bounce. But of course, anything can happen. So if we do sell off rather quickly, just watch that technical target. I'll quickly drop in a line here. You can see it lines up perfectly with this level of support here at about, let me give you a little price tag. You know I love to use my price tags here. 0.050, and that would most likely bring the RSI back down to the bottom section and the money flow. You can see we absolutely shot all the way up into overbought money flow in the top section. And that is usually when you're going to see it move back down. And that's exactly what has happened here. So what we can do here, let me quickly take out this Fibonacci so it's not distracting, is take our Fibonacci from the swing low up to the swing high for Vechain. And you can see we're about to come down to the golden ratio. So if we are going to maintain this uptrend, you want to see that support hold coming in about 0.058. Because if it is lost, you backtest as resistance, higher likelihood you come all the way back down to where you started at about 0.040. So hopefully what we see is some consolidation and a push back to the upside. We're going to quickly pop back open to the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, so you can see it right here. So hopefully what I want to see for vet is we see a little bit of consolidation within this range, and then we see a push to test these levels of resistance once again. Of course, we can get rejected and continue to roll over, but definitely could be a nice little bounce off this support zone. Of course, if we can come up and tackle 0.070, get back above it, then we can come all the way back up and retrace to this high. We want to stay above the golden ratio. I do think that is crucial here if we are going to maintain this uptrend, because if we lose it, as I always say, higher likelihood you're coming back down to where you started. We have broken out of this descending channel, and we did see a nice increase in volume here, so we're retracing back to a healthy level of support. Ideally, we'd want to hold the EMAs here, but we'll see if we can see a nice bounce and get back above the EMAs. But we are in a technical target from this bear flag pattern that could take you all the way down to 0.050. Yeah, that's correct. So that's basically it for VET. Big shout out to the Discord. Let me open it up quickly. I know I was having some issues with Discord a minute ago here. Discord. Let's see what we got. Discord. Yeah, it seems the Discord just doesn't want to open for me right now. I'm having a lot of issues with it. Anyways, if you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.